The 7 mysterious lakes of Bharat you must visit. Retasakunda. The mystery of this lake is that when someone chants Om Namah Shivaya or Jai Bholenath loudly, the water becomes active and the bubbles are seen onto the surface of this lake. This peculiar kunda was created from the accumulation of Rati's tears, who cried due to the death of her husband Kamadeva. Later, Bhima used the same water to perform the first Abhisheka to the Kedarnath Jyotirlinga. Rudravarta. This lake near Nimsar in UP contains a Shivalinga in it which is not visible or found by anyone until now. But when devotees put a Bilvapatra, it drowns at a particular place where Shivalinga is supposed to be existing. Even the stream of milk when put into the lake by devotees goes particularly to a spot of Shivalinga only. But no one can find the Shivalinga when they search at that spot. When the fruits are dropped into the lake as an offering to Lord Shiva, all the fruits drown in the water and 1 or 2 fruits come back to the surface as prasadam. Bhimakunda. The depth of Bhimakunda in Madhya Pradesh is not measured until now. Pandavas, while they were in the area of MP, they felt thirsty. Bhima stuck his club to the ground and the stream of water began flowing from the spot. It is believed that due to the force of Bhima's striking, the club entered Patala Loka, from where the water is still coming. If someone drowns in this lake, the body of that person is never found. The water of this lake is deep blue in color and its depth remains a mystery. Satopant Tal. Satopant Tal in the Himalayas is believed to contain the water of river Ganga in it. On every Ekadashi, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva take a holy bath in this lake together. The cleanliness of this lake is maintained by the birds living around it. When a speck of dust falls into the water, the birds pick it up and throw it outside the lake, thus maintaining crystal clear water. Although it is situated at half the altitude of Mount Everest, its water never freezes. Saptakunda. This is the hot water tirtha in Badrinath Dham. Even in the chilliest of cold season, the water of this kunda is always bubbling hot. The water in this mini lake is the liquid form of Agni Deva, who continued to live here to burn the sinful reactions of devotees before they have darshan of Lord Badri Narayana. No one knows from where this unending stream of water has been coming since time immemorial. Damodara Kunda. This mysterious lake was created by Lord Vishnu and lies in the upper altitude region of Himalayas. It is the birthplace of river Gandaki as well as the Shaligrama Shilas. The speciality of this lake is that when someone puts a tulsi leaf in it, on whichever stone the leaf settles, that Shaligrama Shila is waiting to be worshipped by the devotee who puts a tulsi leaf into it. Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda in Uttar Pradesh contains the water of all the holy tirthas in this universe. The lake was created by Radharani and her friends using their bangles. On the order of Lord Krishna, all the rivers and tirthas across the universe poured their water into it for Radharani and her Sakhis to take bath. Since then, this lake has been proclaimed as the topmost tirtha in this world. Even today, Radha and Krishna take bath in this lake at 12 in the noon. Anyone who takes a bath in this lake is guaranteed to become a devotee of Radha and Krishna. Share this video and let your friends know how wonderful Bharat is.